Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is a Fisher cube I brought. Okay, so it's a very easy cube. We will start now scrambling the cube. Okay guys, this is my cube. Then the thing I do is that first in the white centerpiece we put the edges here. Okay, we get the edges directly behind it. Okay, this one we put it here, so we get that this side will be the orange face and this side will be the green face. So this is the orange and blue. Okay, we kindly drop it in the orange section. We here, then turn it. See, this orange section is made. Then here is the green section. See, the red and green is here only. Okay, it gone, and here will be the red section as red and blue piece. Where is it? Here. Okay, when it is here, you turn the top layer here, then turn it up, then see that these pieces are matched. See here, white and blue. Where is to be going? Here, vertically above it, as you got in the 3x3x3 cube, and done in the same way. It's done the same way. Okay, and we put these also. If you don't know my 3x3x3 cube, if you don't know how to solve a 3x3x3 cube, I will give link in the description box. Okay, these are matched. Now what we do is to match these pieces with the respective these colors. Here is the orange and blue. Here we turn it to see orange and blue. Okay, one turn it got the orange and blue with that. Okay, okay, now see here. Here we need the orange piece over here. Here we need blue piece. And where is the blue piece? Here is the blue piece. Like the windmill cube, not two positions here. Here only one position. They are only you will set as a windmill cube first position. Done. Windmill cube only. Just the structure will be not the second one. It will be always the first one. Then again the same algorithm. Okay, again here. Okay, again here is the same algorithm. As I told, Fisher cube do not again we brought it over here, this piece. Again the same algorithm we give it. Algorithms, watch the windmill cube video. Okay, I will give it. Watch my windmill cube video. It is the last video only mine. Okay, very good. Okay, so here see we have done them. Okay, so now the another here is a problem. See, here one piece there, but how will we get the L in there? So to overcome this piece we have to take this red and this blue piece out, like here, up, turn, down, this side, up, turn, down. See, the red piece is gone. Watch my algorithms continuously so that you can understand the algorithms. See, the blue piece is also gone. So what to do here now? The blue piece we brought it here. So no, at the first we got the red piece. Now where is the red piece? Here. First we make it free from here, from this place. But the blue came. Okay, that is not mattering. Okay, here we came that with that red. If it matters, we will do it again. No, it doesn't matter. Anything you can bring it first. It's a yellow, the only piece yellow. So then you can do this algorithm, the front algorithm, that is if you want that algorithm. Okay, here is the line came. Here we keep it in this side, this line here, up, down, 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 down. Okay, see, here's the L has come. So again we do that algorithm to take the cross here. Here is the cross. See, everyone. And when you have these two, you put it in this position, up, turn, down, turn. You know this algorithm, right algorithm. Here is only one, and here see, this piece is rotating opposite to us. So from here we turn this cube 2 times. Then from here we do this algorithm, R, U2, R inverse, U inverse, R, U inverse, R inverse. That algorithm is very secret algorithm. Okay, then see, if we match the orange corners, see, all the corners do not match. So all the edges these are edge pieces. Actually, these are edge pieces. Okay, it is not matching. So how to match it? Okay, to match this cube, I will show you now how to match that cube. Okay, how to match that pieces. See, we have two pieces, only one matching. Where? Here, this piece only one matching. See, none others is matching with their respective colors. No. So here we keep it here. We will keep that in our left side. Or down, down, up. This is the last algorithm of the 3 by 3 by 3 cube. After this algorithm, nothing is left. Nothing is left. Green, green, red, red. See, here is the green, green, red, red. So it is matched. It may take it 2 times or 3 times. I don't know how many times it may take. Okay. But you continuously repeat this algorithms by keeping that only in the place. Okay, now here see, this is also not matched. This is also not. This is also not. This is also not. So place anywhere like this and do this algorithm. The second last algorithm of the 3 by 3 by 3 cube. I know. I hope you know, and I know that my fans can do it. And see, this one is matched. So we keep it here like it. Okay, this one should be here. I know my fans can do it. The same algorithm, but the place is changed. Okay, now our cube is done, but here this piece is to be done like the up, turn, down, turn, up, turn, down, turn, up, turn, down, turn, up, turn, down, turn, up, turn, up, turn, down, turn. See, it is matched now, but one piece is not matched. Okay, how to match up with that? Up, turn, down, turn, up, turn, down, turn, up, turn, down, turn, up, turn, down, turn. Continuously keep it doing. Okay, continuously keep it doing. Don't stop, continuously do it. Don't stop, continuously do this until it matches. Until it matches, continuously do it. But sometimes it do not match then also. Okay, so that in that case, what we do? In that case, what we do? We repeat the cube. Means we don't repeat it. After you know the algorithm, you don't need to do that continuously. See here, this line. And it is actually fully easy for us to do it. Okay, here when it is here like it, we can continuously do with that, and then these pieces are to be matching, and which one is matched here? None. So okay, this, and then this is matched. Okay, no problem in whatever you do it. No problem in any algorithm you do it. No problem. If you are my viewer, you can do it in any problem. Any way, no problem to you. Because if you are my viewer, I like doing it in many ways. I like processing many ways in it, and like a CPU, I do it. Okay. Okay, have you went to Anurag Cubing? This Anurag Cubing. Just subscribe my channel and put the bell icon and hit the like button, please. This is my humble request. It is not a problem. It is ever the last. When you do it, you can see that the pieces are arranged in a very bad way. In that case, you can do you can take my recommendation. That is, you can. And what can you do? Please tell me. Just as you did the cube, it is exactly easiest cube in the world. Exactly the easiest cube in the world, I can say. The easiest cube in the world is the Fisher cube. But I would like to bring better videos for you. Okay, if you don't like this video, please don't unsubscribe my channel, my viewers, please. Okay, as you repeated in the same way you did. Okay, bye for today. I will meet you in my next tutorial. Tomorrow also I can give a tutorial. Please take a look. Okay, bye.